At Oshkosh West High School and Oshkosh North High School, students with disabilities can gain work experience through the 2 cafes housed within our schools, the Wildcat Cafe and the Spartan Snack Shack. The cafes offer a unique setting that allows students to grow both academically and socially, with the ultimate goal of becoming prepared for employment. We need our community to see what amazing employees our students are. We need to spread the word that these students make excellent employees and make a positive impact in the business world. We are beginning a new endeavor to do just that, spread the word. We are going to extend our in-house cafe businesses into a mobile cafe. We are going to bring our amazing students, our amazing workers into the community to showcase their abilities. We hope to be ready to open in the spring or summer of 2022. We are hoping with community support to outfit our truck and wrap it in our logos. We are in the initial stages of its development, and we are very excited to see how we can partner with our community to highlight the employment skills of all high school students.